Hi, my name is Mark Leithner from Kaizen MMA Academy, Belgrade. The summer is getting nearer, and every August Kaizen MMA Academy organizes MMA summer camp in Vrnjacka, Banja, Serbia. Whether you're a fighter or a recreational guy, whether you haven't trained MMA or anything at all in your entire life, or maybe you're a coach, MMA summer camp is for you. Let's say you're a recreational guy and you want to learn MMA for the first time, or you haven't trained anything in your entire life. Our instructor team will take you step by step and learn and teach you only the most usable MMA techniques in a safe environment. Let's say you're a fighter or a coach and you want to upgrade your MMA knowledge. Maybe you have problems in certain areas, like you don't feel comfortable in exchanging punches, you cannot throw a guy down, your takedowns are lousy, you cannot stop takedowns from happening, you're bad on the ground, you get mounted all the time, you get submitted all the time. We have the tools to make that right. We have the tools for you to grow your game on a whole different level. So, what exactly are we offering you? First of all, the destination of the camp is Vrnjacka, Banja, Serbia. Why Vrnjacka, Banja? Vrnjacka, Banja is one of the most visited tourist destinations in Serbia. And this is exactly what we want for our camp. We don't want this to be, the regular military type of a camp where people only eat, sleep and train, and that's about all they do. No. We don't want that. What we want is people training very hard, which they will. They will train 2 times a day. But at the same time, we would like them to have, after trainings, to relax, unwind, and socialize with other participants of the camp. The instructor team consists of myself and other Kaizen instructors. You will have 3 large meals per day, because we believe that heavy-duty training should be, should be followed by adequate diet. As we said before, you will have 2 training sessions per day. You will have 1 hour of pool access in the hotel. And also, you will have bonus surprises, which we will not reveal right now. We'll save that for later. Also, what we would like you to know is that the safety is our #1 priority. We want you to be safe, and this is exactly what you will get. You will get a safe environment where you will learn MMA techniques. And since we're on the subject of techniques, you will not only learn fighting techniques, you will learn mental techniques and breathing techniques as well, and you will not get there anywhere else. So, this is it. Please read the rest of the explanation about the camp, which you can find below the video, and in that text you will find out all the details about the camp. If you're happening to watch this clip on YouTube, then go to www.mmasummercamp.com and then read the entire text. You can also leave your name and email in the box on your right side, and you will get MMA free advices from us. Okay, bye and see you on the camp.